This is very important. No, not this. This. The quart container, the deli container, the prep cup, the drinking cup. This thing has many names and many uses. Now, I and many other cooks have a pretty good relationship with this thing, and you might be wondering why. It's just a plastic cup. Just about every single restaurant uses these things. I used to drink water out of these all the time at work. I mean, everyone does still, but I would usually put a piece of tape like this and put one line for every one that I drank. I'd probably do like 4 to 5 of these a day. 4 of these is a gallon. Just look at my pantry. Everything is stacked accordingly. I could see everything clear as day. It's labeled. They stack so well together. They fit in tight spaces. It's the perfect container. Here's a quick pantry tour. This is my Mexico shelf, my Chinatown shelf. This is like nuts, grains, sugars, flours, baking items. I got vinegars, syrups down there, equipment there. Got hella spices there. Oh yeah, and here is the Pikachu. And here's the Pikachu that all my friends that have come to visit me have signed. Most are some fun people that you might know. Kind of a mess in here right now. Oh yeah, here's a cool like Bulbasaur picture that my friend got me. This is my best award to date. Awesome Neighbor Trophy. Here's the piece de resistance, the Topo Chico fridge. Topo Chico, thank you for sponsoring me. I'm already out, by the way. I could use some more. Grab a protein shake. Hey!
Oh man.
Oh, a quart! Okay. Wait, what are you looking at?
I got some deli containers.
Oh, did you look at that? What are these good for?
Whatever you want.
Right?
What are they not good for?
They're good for everything. Oh, I didn't know they made styrofoam ones though. That's new.
Seattle, that's wild.
Alright, gotta do some of these.
Paper variety.
The paper variety to be earth friendly. I actually don't like those.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, those suck. There you go. Okay, so right here we have also a cup container. We're gonna buy this, so let's take this out. There's a cup container, which as you can see, that's half of a pint. You guys ever had the gallon man in elementary school? We got the quart, the pint, and the cup. Look at that.
Why would you store something in this?
No, we wouldn't because it's,
anybody would always ask you, you got quart containers.
yeah, that like you couldn't do shit with that.
Yeah.
No. Dude, I freaking love these stores. You need a bag of carrots? They got you. Man, I miss seeing bags like that. These Martinelli ciders are bomb. Would you put these in your fridge? All right, I'm gonna buy you some Martinellis. These are the best. Yep.
One of the only restaurants where the drink they give you
Yeah.
is made for this.
Damn, they added a whole salsa bar. That looks familiar. Look at that. You can keep lids in a corn container. What's your go-to salsa, dude?
I don't know, man. The verde is always good because I think it's like with tomatillo you get acid. So good. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, bro.
Okay, it's 4:45. somebody comes up to you and says, I'm gonna make you a drink for service. You hand them a quart container, what do you ask them to make?
Fill it up with vodka.
Have a good service.
Yeah, exactly. I shit you not. We'd fill this bitch up with vodka and ice.
You weren't kidding.
Not kidding.
Jesus Christ.
Not kidding, dude. Yeah.
Mine was iced coffee. So
Oh yeah, that's what you
get,
start
like,
the day with.
Yeah, you get no, but like right before it's busy, and you like I would never do sugar in my coffee. When I'd make one in this, I'd make like a simple syrup on my station and just pour it in.
The best.
You're anytime. You're welcome over anytime.
What I have in here is called Dinosaur plum. Now, I don't know why it's called a dinosaur plum. We're about to find out. Dinosaur plums, also known as dapple dandy plums, are named for their mottled red skin that resembles a prehistoric egg. They are a type of plum and apricot hybrid.